We will deliver better outcomes for children and young people by sharing resources, using expertise, and strengthening the work that we do with other organisations, such as schools and youth clubs, voluntary and community groups, the NHS, hospitals and GPs, Thames Valley Police, and employers.
So JSE Fun Clubs is a junior sports club and youth engagement programme. It's about enhancing the lives and promoting the talent of young people. JSE as a company has actually been running, September will be our 24th year of training. With regards to running these programmes for the City Council, they've been running since 2006. So City Council, really made a big investment of what's been going on. And I think that, that is a thing where we invest wisely within the youth, and I've been fortunate enough to be able to access those funding to deliver that to these young people.
Oxford Hub is a centre for social action in the city, so we work by bringing people together to make a difference in the community so that together we can make Oxford a better city for everyone. So Oxford is a great city to live in, but Oxford is also a city of great inequality. Through our programs we try to work across the voluntary sector, individual citizens and residents who live in Oxford, working very closely with Oxford City Council and with people who want to make a difference. There are lots of different issues that we tackle. One of the issues that we tackle in particular is early years disadvantage. So Oxford, as a local authority, has been at the bottom of the Social Mobility Index for early years, which is one of the key challenges that are really pressing, because the impact that we can have with children earlier in life can also have huge impact for them when they grow up and grow older. The Oxford Hub works all across the city, but our projects are predominantly focused on the city's areas of regeneration, which are Blackbird Leys, Barton, Catslow, Rose Hill and Littlemore, and Wood Farm.
The ambition of the Community Impact Zone is to make a real difference to the lives of people living in some of the underprivileged areas of Oxford. The data tells us that there are at least 5 areas in Oxford City that fall into the bottom 20% of the UK Social Deprivation Index. And of course there are a lot of agencies working hard to try and alleviate some of those problems in those areas. We aim to try and better understand the problems through triangulating the data, and then help organisations to work more closely together, joining the dots if you like, so that the whole impact is more efficient and more effective. In days when resources are very tight, we have to make absolutely sure we make the best use of them. It's early days, but we've got the City Council, the County Council, Thames Valley Police, Health Services engaged, starting to talk to schools and to the voluntary sector. So we're hopeful that we will make a real difference in the future.
We will use the Ready by 21 framework to ensure that all children and young people in Oxford will be ready for college, work and life. Our new Children and Young People strategy aims to achieve this by working with schools to improve and increase attainment for secondary school pupils. Continuing to use our 1.4 million grants programme to support groups that need them most, such as disadvantaged and vulnerable groups that are more likely to be excluded. Ensure that all our City Council services work together to help meet the needs of young people in Oxford.